Welcome to Telebyte's video series. This video features an automated remote testing example for VDSL2 vectoring. We will be switching 48 fixed CPEs to 3 48-port DSLAMs or DSLAM cards over 48 vectored loops. Let's take a look at the equipment we will need for our example. We begin with the Telebyte 600 SM8 1x4 switching matrix modules. Each module provides 8 1x4 switching matrices. Each of the inputs is switched to any one of 4 outputs. This example requires 6 modules for the switching to 48 CPEs. Our 6 modules are installed in the 600 6SL 6-slot chassis. This compact chassis is only 4U high and fits into a 19-inch rack. The 600 switching modules use Cat7 Terra connectors that accept up to 4 twisted pairs. This allows for the compact design. The most common cable has 1 Cat7 Terra male on the switch side and 4 Cat6A female connectors on the device side. Please note Telebyte offers the custom cables that will be needed. What else do we need? 3 48-port DSLAMs or cards, 1 group of 48 CPEs, and 48 loops. When considering the VDSL2 vectoring loop options which require crosstalk, there are 3 choices. Fixed-length twisted pairs in a binder provide live crosstalk, but the loop length cannot be varied and cables are switched manually. The Telebyte CFA24A cable farm automation switch provides live crosstalk and the loops can be changed via remote commands. Finally, the Telebyte VXT48DC Plus provides emulated crosstalk, remote control of up to 48 loops, and does not require cable. Let's make our connections. The switching matrix modules are connected to a patch panel using the custom cabling we showed earlier. This example shows the front and back connections for only one of the 6 switches. Note, the loops are connected to the CPE side patch panel. Now we will see an example of switching 2 of the 48 CPEs to 3 different DSLAM ports. The different components are now presented in more detail with all connections shown. CPE1 is connected to loop 1 shown in blue and to the back of the first switch. Here we see the connections on the front of the module that allow the signal to be switched to any one of 3 DSLAM ports. CPE24 is connected to loop 24 shown in pink and to the back of another switch where it too can be switched to any one of 3 DSLAM ports. Here we see that in action, showing only the connections for CPE1. CPE24 only is now shown switching to the 3 different DSLAM ports. Remote access to the test setup is available by using remote commands or a web browser. Here is an example showing loop lengths on the Telebyte CFA24A cable farm automation switch being set remotely. The commands are sent over the internet to the network. The signal from the DSLAM port travels through the loop and is then switched to CPE1 or CPE2. Here is an example of remote commands used with the 600 SM8-1-4 module. Output H on the bottom in red is associated with one of 4 inputs. In this example, that is H1 on the top. The command is also shown in red. Here, output H, now shown in blue, is associated with input H2. The command is also shown in blue. The Telebyte cable farm automation switch and the 600 switching modules are all controllable via a web browser. There are a variety of 600 modules available, including matrices where you will have 1 1x32, or 2 1x16s, or 4 1x8 matrices, or 8 1x4 matrices, which is what we looked at today, 16 1x2 matrices, and 1 1x16 matrix, and in that case, that one is for coax cable. Thank you for your interest in Telebyte switching products for automated testing. There are a wide variety of possible configurations, including the use of these products on both sides of your test setup. We would welcome an opportunity to speak with you and learn more about your testing needs. Please go to our website at telebytebroadband.com or send us an email to sales@telebytebroadband.com.